Hey guys, this is Howard Ubertech, back with another video. Today's video is going to be how to disassemble and reassemble your Springfield Hellcat. Before we get started, I would like to give a huge thanks for the guys over at Gun Prime. This video would not be possible without Gun Prime. Go to the link in the description and give their channel a sub. So now let's get back to the video. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that we're safe. And how we do that is by pushing this button right here. When you push that button, the magazine will drop. And we're still not safe because we have to check to make sure there's no ammo in the chamber. So how we do that is by holding the gun like this, pushing forward with this hand, grabbing the slide from the rear and pulling to the rear. And it looks something like that. You can see that there's no ammo in there. We are now safe. The next thing we do is we push up on the slide lock and we hold it while we grab the slide from the rear and we pull it to the rear. Just like that. The next thing we do is we push up on the takedown lever all the way up to the 12 o'clock position, and then we grip our slide from the rear again and pull to the rear. Once you hear that click, follow forward. Next, holding the slide with this hand, aim the gun in a safe direction and pull the trigger. Now we could take the slide and follow it forward and it comes off just like that. The next thing we do is we take out the recoil spring. How we do that is we grip it from here and pull upward. The next thing we do is we take out our barrel, and how we do that is push up over here and grab the barrel from here and pull it out on an angle just like that. Congratulations, you just disassembled your Springfield Hellcat. Now let's put everything back together. Grab your slide, take your barrel. This part of the barrel will go right where my finger is, and it'll look something like this. You're going to go in on an angle just like that. It'll fall down into place. Push the barrel back and the barrel block will fall into this little open area. Next, you're going to take a recoil spring. This part right here will go into this area right here, and this side, this silver piece right here, this silver circle, will go into this half circle right here. So it's going to look something like this. The fat end goes in here just like that, and then what we need to do is we need to compress the spring that way and push downward at the same time. So we're going to compress and push down just like that. Hopefully you could see that this silver part right here is in that half circle in there. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to put our slide onto these two rails here and here. And those two rails will go into this opening and that opening on the slide. It'll look something like this. Slide the slide to the rear. Next, what you're going to do is hold up on the slide lock like we did before, grab the slide from the rear and pull it back just like that. You're going to feel it grab on and it'll lock in place. Next, we're going to take the takedown lever and push it back down to the 9 o'clock position. Next, take your slide, grip it from the rear, and then pull back to the rear one more time once you hear that slide lock click, and then you can follow it forward. The next thing I do is a function test, and how I do that is holding it like this, pushing forward with this hand while grabbing the slide from the rear and pulling back a few times. Then I point it in a safe direction, pull the trigger, and everything sounds like it's working perfectly. Grab your magazine, put it in here, and that is it. You have successfully reassembled your Springfield Hellcat. Thanks again to Gun Prime for sending out the Hellcat. This video would not be possible without them. Guys, if you thought this video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Every subscriber helps. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.